Good morning and welcome to day 2 of our camp out with the Kodiak tent. Now this morning we woke up to some cloud cover and it's currently sprinkling right now. So I guess if this cloud opens up and it rains a little harder, that will be the ultimate test for the Kodiak tent. But for now, we're going to go ahead and get some breakfast and we're going to figure out what kind of outdoor activities we can do today. So stay tuned and we'll bring you along. Okay, ready, go. Alright guys, so we decided to head over to Strawberry, which is pretty close to where we're camping this weekend, and you know, see if we can catch some fish. But while we're waiting for the trout, you know, there's one really easy thing to catch here at Strawberry. That's the crawdads. These little guys are fun. I'm not going to take any home, but we'll play around, catch a few.
Leave it to me. I caught something.
Hooked the crawdad. That's. All right, this has been soaking for a while. Oh, let's see what we got. I got it. Look at all those. Oh, there's a ton of them fighting over it. Look at all of them. You see them all under there? See them fighting for it? Look.
Ew.
See them all? Look at all of them.
Ew.
Isn't that funny?
No, that's gross. How many are there? 3?
I can't tell. There's quite a few though.
Hold up.
Ready?
Give me the net.
I'm kind of stuck on the weed, so.
Give me the net.
Stick the net under there, see how many there. Oh, they're going. Oh, how many did you get?
3. 4. Ew.
Alright, so we just arrived back at camp from our little trip down to Strawberry Reservoir. Now we weren't expecting to catch any trout from shore, but if there's one thing you can catch out of Strawberry, that is the crawfish. They are all over the shoreline. As a matter of fact, it's been quite a while since I come up and did some crawfishing in Strawberry, so that's probably an outdoor activity that I'll do here pretty soon. Alright, so this is going to wrap up this video series of our camp out here with the Kodiak tent. And I'll tell you, so far, I've been really impressed with this durable canvas tent. And something else that's really cool is the Kodiak company is a Utah-based company. So if you would like to learn more about the Kodiak products, I will put a link in the description box below this video, and you can click on that and check that out. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video or any of this series, please do me a favor and click that subscribe button and check out more of our outdoor activities as they are posted. Hey guys, have a great day, and I will see you on the next outdoor activity. Bye-bye.